Hi there, my name is Kate. I'm here today with Sephora to show you how to get this colorful festival ponytail with temporary hair color. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already pulled my hair up into a high ponytail. So now I'm going to add some bold trend colors to my look using Good Dye Young Poser Paste temporary hair makeup in shade X Girl Pink. So to begin, I'm going to take a small amount from the jar, rub my fingers together, and apply it to the length of my bangs for a bold pop of color. It's a washable, temporary hair color with paste texture, and a little bit goes a long way, so I recommend starting with a small amount and building up the color until you achieve the vibrancy you want. So now that I've built the color to where I want it, I'm going to brush my hair to distribute the color and achieve a softer color. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Narwhal Teal, using the same application technique to the length of my pony. As you can see here, the color payoff is really impactful. This is such a fun way to try trend hair colors without the commitment. The color easily washes out with shampoo, and it's completely safe to use on all hair types and colors. Now that the color has been worked in, I'm going to brush through the pony just like I did on my bangs to give it a softer color. Now that the poser paste has been applied, I'm going to take this look one step further by sectioning out the pony with colorful hair ties secured around the hair every 2 to 4 inches. I like to have bigger bubbles for a more dramatic effect, so I'm going to space them out. Now that the ties are in place, I'm going to gently pull on the sections outwards with my fingers to create a larger bubble. And this is so much easier than it looks. It's just like putting in a regular ponytail. You just do it all the way down your whole entire pony. You can customize your bubbles based on where you place them and how far you pull them apart. And just to add one more pop of color, I'm going to go back with the shade X Girl Pink to the very end of the pony and brush it through to finish. Again, don't be afraid to play with the color here. It will wash right out with shampoo. And for a finishing touch, I'm going to apply the Sephora Collection #LipStories lipstick in Desert Trip to my lips. It's so gorgeous. I love how this ties the look together. So there you have it. Don't forget to comment and let me know which hair color you're dying to try. And please subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.